The above precipitate, that is zinc sulfide formed in the above test, first test, is then dissolved in dilute HCl in a china dish or in a test tube and add sodium hydroxide solution and then add drop white in excess of sodium hydroxide. When you add excess, what will happen now? A white precipitate of zinc hydroxide is formed first, which reacts with the sodium hydroxide to give sodium zincate, a colorless solution. Very, very important test for zinc 2 plus ion. So, first formation of white precipitate, on excess it is converted into sodium zincate, NO2 ZnO2. See the reaction below? This is the reaction. Kindly follow. Zinc sulfate solution, we are treating with sodium hydroxide. So 2 moles when you react, we are getting now zinc hydroxide, a white precipitate, sodium sulfate. And if you add excess, again 2 moles of sodium hydroxide, zinc hydroxide converted into sodium zincate, NO2 ZnO2, which is soluble in water. Colorless solution. It gives colorless solution. Please follow. It gives colorless solution. So indicate the presence of zinc 2 plus ion. I hope it is clear. In the second test, to the above precipitate of zinc sulfide, a white precipitate, we have to add dilute HCl in acid medium. Then we have to add sodium hydroxide excess. So I am going to add first a few drops of dilute HCl. Can you follow? So we have dilute HCl. I am adding now first. Dilute HCl. I am adding a few drops. Then, after adding few drops of the dilute HCl, I am adding excess sodium hydroxide. I am adding excess sodium hydroxide. So when I am adding excess sodium hydroxide, what is happening now? Kindly follow. I am stirring that. I am stirring that. So follow. Since it is a test tube, I cannot add sodium hydroxide excess. So I transfer into a beaker the precipitate and added sodium hydroxide excess. It is giving clear solution. It is due to sodium zincate formation. Please follow. The first test we are getting zinc sulfide white precipitate. To the second test, to the zinc sulfide white precipitate, we are adding dilute HCl followed by excess sodium hydroxide. Since in the test tube is not sufficient place, so I have transferred into this beaker. I add an excess sodium hydroxide. So it is very clear due to the formation of sodium zincate. Okay.